Let's draw a cute dolphin. First, draw its large body. Red. Green. And add a pointy nose. Blue. What an amazing nose you've drawn! Excellent! Now draw the dolphin's flippers. First one. And now the other. Good job! Now draw a triangle on the back for the fin. Orange. Your dolphin is almost ready. Draw the dolphin's tail. You've drawn a wonderful dolphin! Watch your happy dolphin play and squeak!